For this installation, you will need a 00 Phillips screwdriver, a plastic or metal tool, and a suction cup. Start by removing the 2 screws at the bottom of the iPhone. Next, use a suction cup to remove the front panel as shown here. Use caution when doing this. Once opened, you will see cables numbered from 1 to 7. If you have an iPhone 3G, there will be no cable number 7. Using a plastic tool, remove the cables from the logic board by gently prying them loose. You can see this procedure in more detail on our glass and LCD removal video. Start by removing cables 1 and 2. Cable number 3 is hidden beneath cable number 2. We will now remove cables numbered 4, 5, 6, and 7 if you have an iPhone 3GS. There will be a sticker labeled "Do Not Remove" covering a screw near cable number 7. You will void your warranty if you remove this, though it is a necessary step to remove the screw beneath the sticker. Remove the 8 screws retaining the logic board and camera. We will now gently lift the camera from the housing and take note of a silver ground clip attached to the camera, which we will keep for reinstallation. Remove the SIM card tray. We will now gently remove the logic board from the iPhone. There is a gold-colored grounding pin on the logic board. Be very careful not to damage this pin. Directly behind the top of the battery is a copper-colored ribbon cable. Take care not to damage this cable while removing the battery. If you cannot pull the battery by hand, use a thin tool to work the battery free from the iPhone. The battery is held in place by adhesive with the logic board sitting on top of it. The battery connection is shown here. Remove the adhesive from the battery and place it into the iPhone. We will now reinstall the logic board by placing it into the iPhone, then ensure there are no cables in the way. Now gently slide the logic board in towards the top of the iPhone and gently press down to seat the board. We will now reseat the camera into the housing. Reinstall the silver grounding clip as well as the rest of the screws. We will now reseat the cables starting with cable number 7, though if you have an iPhone 3G, you will start with cable number 6. Followed by cable number 5, and finally cable number 4. Now reinsert the SIM card tray. Now reinstall the front panel by inserting cable number 3 and closing the flip down tab. Reseat cables number 2 and 1. Reinstall the screws at the bottom. Power on the iPhone and test the screen as well as charge the new battery.